Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I received this product from the brand. These are the Brigii Kitchen Shears, and they are not your average scissors. These are seriously heavy duty, built for real kitchen work, from cutting through chicken bones, joints, trimming herbs, scaling fish, cutting through the fish, or even opening stubborn packages. These handle all without needing to grab multiple tools. Now, first, it has this nice safety lock. That's a nice touch for storage, especially when you keep these in the drawer. So you just push it and it keeps them closed. So unlock it. These are great for the rebound spring. The mechanism can handle them without getting tired. You can feel the difference immediately. My small hands, I have no trouble cutting. It cuts through this fish with no problem. And this one's almost all the way frozen. Look at that. Super simple to cut. Love it. These have a stainless steel blades that are nice and sharp and sturdy, so they cut cleanly through the meat or your poultry. Tougher ingredients without struggling. It was especially impressive that these handled chicken bones. Got non-slip handles, so it's going to give you a comfortable, secure grip even when your hands are wet or working quickly. If you want durable, multi-purpose, easy-to-use kitchen tool that's like getting multiple tools in one, like maybe a nutcracker, fish scaler, herb cutter, and more, these are absolutely worth adding to your kitchen. You will love them.